Welcome to the Children's Forum portal tutorial. This video will cover creating a new user account, submitting a scholarship application, and a few important reminders at the end. In order to complete a scholarship application, applicants must first create an account to access the Children's Forum portal. This can be done on the T.E.A.C.H homepage shown here. To begin, click Portal Login. This will bring users to a snapshot of the Children's Forum portal main dashboard, with access to various programs once an account is created. New users will click Create My Account Now. On the following page, new users will enter full legal first and last name, personal email address, and date of birth. Then click Create New Account to initiate a verification email. Now a new user account has been created and verification email has been sent. This confirmation page prompts the user to check their email and click on the link provided in the verification email. Here's a sample of what the verification email will look like. The link can be used once, is unique to each account, and is active for only 3 days. By clicking the link, users will be directed to the Children's Forum portal to create a password. Passwords must be at least 8 characters long, containing at least 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, and 1 number or symbol. Now a password has been created. Click Login to continue. From here, users will log in using their email address and newly created password. Users now have access to the Children's Forum portal dashboard. Click the T.E.A.C.H logo to begin the application process. Please note, to complete your application, you will need to have all the information listed on this page. Once all the information is gathered, click Start an Application. Users will then be directed to the My Applications tab and will click Start a New Application to begin. Users may now begin an application. There are 5 qualifying questions on the first page of the application. These 5 questions are the core requirements of the scholarship program. Applicants must be a Florida resident, work or volunteer a minimum of 20 hours in a Florida child care program, have the sponsorship of their employer, and have a high school diploma or GED from an accredited institution. Once the qualifying questions have been completed, applicants will be asked to complete sections on education, employment, income, reimbursement, scholarship type, and training institution. Please note, if you're applying for a national CDA scholarship, you must indicate that you are either enrolled in or have completed the 120-hour training program. In addition, only select Yes if you have already paid for classes and/or books. After the required information has been entered, applicants will review and affirm it is correct by checking the box and clicking Save and Exit Application. This will then prompt the system to generate an application agreement for you to download. Sometimes this is also referred to as the signature page. This form serves as verification of your income and the center's commitment to participate in the program. Fill out this form completely with your Social Security number, and both you and your director must sign it. Incomplete agreements will not be processed. There are a few ways to return a completed agreement to our office. You may upload it in the portal under My Applications as shown here, email it to us at teachquestions@thechildrensforum.com, or fax it to the number on the form. Once the completed application agreement is received, your application will be processed. Please allow 6 to 8 weeks for processing. Here are some final reminders. The online application is available on the T.E.A.C.H homepage. New users must create an account in the Children's Forum portal, complete the scholarship application, download the application agreement, return it to our office, and allow 6 to 8 weeks for processing. Please note, the application for the master's degree scholarship is not available online. Please contact T.E.A.C.H at teachquestions@thechildrensforum.com for a copy of this application. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the T.E.A.C.H online application process. If you have any questions, please contact us at toll-free 1-877-FL-TEACH or by email at teachquestions@thechildrensforum.com.